How important is technology to AVADA, and how are you using technology as a differentiator with the scale you're kind of building?
Well, first is it's making sure we've got consistent systems. I think that's important, and obviously working with you guys, that most of the businesses had no protection from a technology perspective, and working with you guys and Arctic Wolf, being able to put that in has been really important to us. And obviously from a governance perspective, it's the number one to make sure that we don't have those threats to a business that can pull us down and stop us working, which is super important. It's also an area whereby, as I mentioned before, from our clients' perspective, we want to be able to raise the bar from a technology point of view. And a lot of our clients are just so used to getting what they get from a traffic control business, and as I mentioned before, it's a sort of afterthought that it's hard trying to drag them along on the journey. And they're used to some people working in paper-based instead of electronic-based. So being able to take the businesses on the journey, and the clients half the time are the same, to be able to take them on the journey. But what we're looking at is what are the things that we can start to do from the, one of the pillars, as I mentioned before, we've got 4 pillars: temporary traffic management, 1, technology is the second. So looking at what are those things around temporary traffic management, but then looking at the larger play, what is it with regards to traffic management as a whole for a city, smart city technology, about, running about the camera systems, the light, the traffic light systems, all of that, how to move, because government don't really want to do it. They'd rather have someone else do it. You look at the camera and mobile phone and seatbelt technology now with cameras, that's all being outsourced. So all of that sort of stuff is areas of technology we want to look at from traffic.